Today we are going to discuss about string methods in Python. Okay, string methods are nothing but uh, they are used to uh, write show the output in a defined manner. That means how we define how we want to see the output. In that way, we can modify the output, and also it will. We have we have so many inbuilt methods in string methods. I will show you one by one. Okay. Share my screen. Yeah. Okay, we have so many types of string methods. Uh, create string methods and discuss one by one. In this file only, I will show you all the string methods, and also I will share this recording by tomorrow morning by 10 or 10:30 a.m. Okay. For example, I have some text. I have a text. In that, I have content like some uh, hello world, hello world. If I want to change this text to capital letters, I can use print. Directly I'm printing the text. I'm not storing in another variable. Okay. First of all, I will print the text. After that, let's do remaining. Yeah, I got as it is. How it is there in my text as it is. I got it. Now I will capitalize this. I will make a capital of this string. Okay. Here, if you give text dot, you can see all the inbuilt methods of string. You have so many inbuilt methods. Almost, I think you will have a large number of highest number of inbuilt methods in strings only. Okay. Here you can find yeah, capitalize. Directly you can select, or else if you are typing, it will show you a suggestion. Okay. Dot capitalize, and I'll print this text. Oh, sorry. I'm printing the text right here. If you, sorry. Capitalize not upper. Your if you use uppercase, all the characters of the string will become will be displayed in the uppercase. You will get each and every character in uppercase. For example, I am using L capital, R capital. Now, if I want to see all the characters of my string into small letters, simply you will have an inbuilt called lower. You will get hello world as lower. Okay, here you have different cases. Okay, you have one uppercase on lowercase, and again you have some uppercase in clumsy format. But if you want to make it clear, if you want to make it clean, and if you want to display it, you can use inbuilt functions like this. We have inbuilt methods like this. Okay, you have so many inbuilt methods. Let's see some more inbuilt methods. Example, I have some different spaces like this. I'll use an inbuilt method called text dot strip. See the output. Yeah, it has removed spaces between right and left. Okay, it has not removed the space between these words because it was taking as only. It has removed the spaces, right spaces and left spaces. Okay, if you want to remove only the right spaces, you have to use R strip. It will show spaces before your word because you have some spaces, and it has removed spaces after the word. Okay. If you want to remove the left spaces, you can use left strip. Okay, now it has removed the right spaces, but you will have some spaces here. If you observe, I am highlighting the spaces here. Before, I could not find any spaces here. When I am trying to highlight, I was not able to do because there are no spaces has been removed from the right side. Okay, now spaces removed in the left side. Okay, if you use only strip, it will remove the spaces from right and left. Okay, yeah, it has removed spaces from right and left. If you see, you don't find any spaces here. Okay, yeah. Now can also give just a sentence here, like a statement like I want to learn some Java. Okay, print this. First of all, I will try to print this. Okay, I got a statement called I want to learn Java, but I want to replace Java to Python. Then simply you can use text dot replace, and I will run it. It will give an error like replace expected at least 2 arguments. Okay, this object is expecting two inputs into this object. That means in between these parentheses, it is expecting 2 words. Okay, so we have to give 2 words like what is the thing you want to be get replaced. I mean, I want to replace Java with Python. This is the old one, and this is a new one. We got a suggestion as we are doing in PyCharm. It is one of the benefit where you can see the suggestions like this. Okay, yeah, those are inbuilt in PyCharm. Okay, yeah. If you observe, my output has changed from I want to learn Java to I want to learn Python. Okay, if I try to print text, let's see the output. Yeah, I am getting my original text like this only. From this, you have to understand that uh, Python string methods will not change the original text. Okay, it will modify the it will modify the text, and we have to, and it will generate a new text. Okay, it will not replace the original text. Okay, we can't uh, modify this one. Okay, by you can modify by using this one. Okay, more we have like as I shown you about capitalize text dot capitalize. Let's see the output. If you observe, my text got capitalized where only the first character of my sentence got capital letter and remaining remains as it is. Okay, no modification has been done, only the first letter will change to capital letter. Okay, and also we have inbuilt like title. Let's see the output. Usually our title will be like the first first word of the first letter of the word will become capital. Okay, this is the title format. Okay, where you will have the first letter as capital in each word of the sentence. Okay, that's nothing but capital. Usually you use for project names, for headings and all. Okay, uh, where you can use where you will keep the first letter of the word as capital. Simply by using this title inbuilt, you can use you can get the title format. Okay, and we have example. Okay, we have not completed any list. For example, I have some set of words like some BMW and um, body, body. I'll split this. Let's see the output. I'll split this and it'll run. You will get in the form of list. Okay, you will get in the form of list. And if you use any uh, any parameter like this, it will get divided into individual words. Okay, if you don't use this, you will get a whole as a single word without any delimiter, like without any inverted commas like this, without any codes. You will get the output. If you use any parameter like this, it will get divided in the list. Okay, in the form of list. The same thing we'll take a list now for or else I will store this in a different variable like text, new text, new text equal to text dot split. Okay, print new text. Let's see the output. I got my output as in the form of list. Okay, now print comma dot new text, and also I'll keep a comma here. Okay, let's see the output. Yeah, if you observe, it is like a it is joining all the words here. It is joining all the words here. First of all, I'll print my original text and I'll split the text and I will print the new text. And this is my original text and this is my text after I split it, and this is the text where I have joined this. Okay, if I can separate with a comma. I can also separate with a comma, and you will be back to the original text. Okay, split is to divide my text in the form of list, and join will join the words in the list. Okay, that is the difference between split and join. Make text equal to word. Now you have another inbuilt called text dot find. Whatever the word you want to find, you can find here. I want to find word. I'll run this. Yeah, you got the output as 6. 6 is nothing but index of this text. Okay, index will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If the word start from 6th index, so we got our output as 6. In data structures like list tuple, you can able to understand what are indexes and what is slicing and all. Just keep it in mind. Okay, just keep it in mind. I will explain you later about indexes and all. Okay. Okay, here when you are finding the word, it is starting from 6th index, so I got output as 6. Okay, we have another inbuilt called index. Else I will print text dot index. I want to know whether word is there. I got same output, but the difference is here we are finding the word and here we are finding the index. Okay, for example, take I, and here also I'll give I. Let's see the output. Yeah, if you observe here, I am getting the output for index. Okay, if it is not satisfied, okay, when you are using the find method, if the condition will not get satisfied, means you will get an error in find method. But in index method, you will not get any error. It will return -1 like this. Okay, that is the difference between find and index. If you don't find that word, you will get an error like this. Okay, substring not found. Or else if you whereas in index it will return -1. Okay, instead of triggering with an error, you will get -1. Okay. After all these string methods, let's do some basic examples. Okay, some basic real-time examples. Okay, where we use these string methods and all. Text equal to, for example, I'm taking a text like some random text like this. Okay, some random text like this. Print text dot count. Count is used to count the occurrence of a character, okay, or a word. For example, I want to count J. I think we have so many number of J's here. Let's see the output. Yeah, 4 times J has been occurred. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. For example, I want to take C. C has repeated only 1 time. Okay, C is here. Okay, count is used to count the number of occurrences of character or a word. Okay. Word. Word. Text dot. I want to know whether the word start. For example, I have an essay competition. In that essay competition, I have kept a condition like all the essay competitors should start their essay with a unique word. Okay, if that word exists in your essay, then it will get qualified. I mean, it's not qualified. Uh, it will not get rejected. Okay, it will move forward. Okay, for example, we have an inbuilt method called starts with hello. Just you will get true or false. Okay, I have a text here. If my text starts with hello, I'll get my output as true. If not, I'll get my output as false. Okay, false. And also in the same way, we have another method called ends with. If it ends with, you have to keep in string for the word, then you will get true. Yeah, if not, you will get false. Okay, basically we will be in so many type of applications or some competitions. It will check whether these words these competitions started with these words or ended with these words, some condition to check a certain type of conditions. We can use this starts with or end with just to confirm. Okay, just to confirm whether it starts or ends with the these words or not. Okay. Is nothing but it is a type of filtering. Okay, by using these also we can filter some applications or essay type competitions. Okay. Mm. And we have another string methods to know whether it is a character or a number, or whether it is a combination of characters and numbers. We have some different methods to find these. Okay. For example, I have a text called hello. Okay. Print text dot is we have is super, is alpha, is ASCII, is decimal. We have different types of string methods here, starting with is nothing but to find whether it is alphabet or digits or alphanumeric. Like this uh, we can know whether it is which type of text it is. Okay. Example, if it is an integer, you have to use is digit. If you run it, you will get false because it is not a digit. It is in alphabets. Okay, is alpha. We have a method called is alpha to know whether it is alphabets or not. Okay, if it is alphabets, you will get true. If it is uh, some integers, you will get false. If you want to make it true, you have to use is digit here. Is digit. I will send you the recording. Okay, don't worry. I will send you the recording. Okay, true, because it is digit. It is a combination of numbers and alphabets. Then you have another method called is. Uh, okay, it is true because we have a combination of numbers and alphabet. If you try to find is digit, you will get false because it consists of characters also. That's why it is we are getting false here. Okay. Also we have so many types of methods. Let's see some more. For example, if you have spaces, you have an inbuilt called is space. Okay, if you have all spaces in your text, then you will get true. Similarly, we have so many inputs like is lower, is upper, is title. Is title is nothing but we have already seen each of the word from a sentence should start with capital letter. Okay, then only you will get the true. For example, mm, I want to learn Python. It is false. Something wrong. Is space. Okay, it is not space, right? I want to find is title. Is title. You got true because each word of my sentence, I mean, each word of my sentence is starting with capital letter. For example, if I use small t here, let's see the output. I'm getting false. Even if you have a single small letter in your word, then you will get false. Okay. This is by using string methods. It will be easy to find out the formats. Okay. Mm. So if you want to, hello, I'll show you the output. Is nothing but text dot. This center is nothing but it will keep our word in center. But see the output. You are getting an error like center expected at least one argument got 0. Okay. I'll give an argument like some digits here. Let's see the output. Okay, I am getting output, but if you observe, I am getting some spaces I am getting some spaces before and after my hello word. That means it is taking some spaces. Let's give some symbols here. Like I'll give a dollar symbol here. Okay, I got dollar symbols. 10 is nothing but total count of the characters. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, $5 symbols and 5 characters. Okay, if I give 11 you will get $3 symbols hello, and 3 after that you will get $3 symbols. Okay, uh, similarly we'll have l just is nothing but you will get all you will get word in the left side and dollars in the right side. Not only dollars, you can also use whatever the symbol you want. You can use like a hyphen or whatever the thing you want, you can use here. Okay, it will change to hyphen. Okay, similarly as we have ljust, we'll also have artist, right? You will get a word in the right side and hyphens in the left side. Okay, totaling the character length to 11. Okay, for example, I have I want to show some employee ID, or else some employee ID. I will take employee ID equal to generally employee IDs will have same length. Okay, for example, taking a mobile number in India, we'll have 10 numbers, right? The length of the mobile number will be 10. Okay, similarly for employee also, maybe you'll have some 10 numbers. Let's think you'll have 10 numbers, but my employee ID is 5678. But you have to show the 10 numbers here. Okay, you have to show the 10 numbers. Simply you can use text, sorry, employee id dot Z fill of 10. Let's see the output. Z fill is nothing but it will fill the remaining spaces with zeros. Okay, remaining spaces with zeros, and you will get employee ID at the end. Okay, this is nothing but a format. Okay. Also, we have formats like I'm giving some name a equal to the and age will be like 26, and I want to print this. Print is nothing but I'm we have printed so many times these names and outputs, but now I am showing a string format method to print the output. Okay. And some empty flower brackets. My age is empty flower brackets. Okay. Dot format. You have to give your name, age here. Okay. Name and age. I have given name and age in my dot format method. It is nothing but it is string format method to display the statement. Okay. I'll show you the output. Yeah. I got my name is Radha and my age is 26. For example, let's interchange this age and name. Okay, here if you observe, I am getting some wrong output. To overcome this, we have another format method like we'll keep it in comments. Comments is nothing but just keeping an hashtag before that line. If you have a single line, if you have multiple lines, you can use triple quotes. Print. If you are getting any disturbance, please let me know. Okay. Print. Simply you can use F. F is nothing but format. Okay. Format of my name is. You can use name here. Simple name, and my age is. You can give age here. Okay. Directly you can give like this. Okay. To overcome this method, we got a new method. New method like this. Okay. You will get the right output here. Okay, but you should not forget to mention F before your print statement. I mean before this message. Okay, you have to give this F, and in flower brackets you have to get the data. Okay, generally we can see this in dictionaries, and also in real time to get the data from the backend. We use these flower brackets like this. If it is possible, I will show you how to do that. Okay. And I'll show. I'll go with some basic examples. I'll go with some basic examples so that you can understand more clearly. Okay. File. Already this. Sorry. I'll take my name equal to int of, sorry, not int, directly you have to take input. I'll give my input in my console. Okay, this is console. Okay, this is console. Uh, your name. And you will take my name to file equal to name dot strip is used to remove the spaces dot title. Okay, print modify. I'll run this and I'll show you the output. I'll give okay, I'll give my name is RAHA space K ASH and K. This is the format I have given for my input. Let's see the output. Sorry. If you observe, I got a cleaned version of my name. Okay. I have given an informal way to informal type of my name. But here it got clean and I got a clear output. And also I have given a wrong name here. RAHHA. Okay. It is not RADHA. Okay. Let's see another example. Keep it like this only. Like that. I'll give an email here. Email equal to student. If I am working in, for example, our FIT Fratello, our institute have some employees and they have some specific email ending with @fit.com in their email ID. If it is valid only, then you have to print it is a valid email. If not, you have to print it is an invalid email. For example, I'll give the email as dynamic. Okay. Enter your email. And I'm modifying my email to email dot script dot. First of all, I am getting my email to small letters first. Okay, I'm getting my email to small letters first, and afterwards I'm modifying my email. Okay, I'm giving some conditions to it. Okay, if email dot we already done with this method ends with @fit.com. For using if condition, you have to use colon. Okay, we are ahead. We will. I think we'll go to the if conditions by tomorrow. Okay, if it gets satisfied, you have to print this is and also can print this email. Else, if else is nothing but if it is if else is nothing but if it is not satisfied, it will go to else condition. Print email. Okay. I'll give an email like @gmail dot invalid email. Krishna rate FID dot. I'm getting this is a valid email and I will run once again. Krishna with rate FIT dot COE. Let's see the output. Oh, sorry, I'm running it inside. With rate FIT dot. Let's see the output. I'm getting uh, my valid email. This is a valid email because as I am giving the informal way of email, it is converting it into small letters first, and we are getting my email as valid email. Okay. In Generally, we use our email in small letters only. Okay. While we are sending an email, we use small letters only. In the same way, I am lowering my email to small letters, and I'm doing some validations here. Okay. Now, already we have done with employee ID, right? And take some full name. Take my full name as equal to Krishna. Okay. Yeah, I'm dividing it into first name and last name because I have given two names, right? Generally, we have first name, middle name, and last name. So I'm taking in resumes. When you are uploading some resumes, if you give your name with spaces, it will take as first name and last name. You will get applications like you will get an options like autofill with resume or type manually like that. If you in your resume, if you have your name like this, if you select autofill with resume, then it will take first name as Radha and second name as Krishna. Let's see how it will done. Okay. My full name dot, we have an inbuilt method called split, and you will get print first name, print last. In string format methods, like we have used it before by giving f in quotes. You can give flower brackets of first name and last name, then you will get your first name and last name. Okay. Simply, then my name got divided into first name and last name. Okay. This is about split. Okay, already we have seen this, but I'm giving some basic examples to get more clearly. Okay, so uh, we have some student ID, student ID, student ID equal to, for example, if you say what is your roll number, you directly say as some 25, 23, 25 like that. But in register, you'll have 0, 2, 3. Okay. Uh, you can student ID equal to student ID dot. I'm filling the remaining characters of my roll number with 0, or else I can also do with, for example, your roll number is like 23, and if you want to fill with some characters or whatever it may be, you can fill with that. Okay. Print format student ID. If you run this, you will get your roll number as 0 to 3, or else you can give an input here. Okay, you can give dynamic input. As I am giving static input, try to give some dynamic inputs. Okay. uh, and also For example, if you submit any documents, if another person want to see your documents, you will get some hashed documents. Okay, hashed documents. That means you can find only last four letters in Aadhaar card or else in your credit or debit cards. While you are doing any payments, you can see only the last four digits of your card. How it is done? Let's see. Some I'll give card equal to my card have 16 generally cards will have 16 or 12, some 16 digits. I think I will have 16 digits now. Okay, I'll take some 8 digits for now. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now equal to I want to mask my IDs with star or hash or dollar, whatever the character, whatever the special character you want to replace with the original original numbers, you can do that. Okay. For example, I'm using some hash here, or else you can also use star here. Into first of all, I will explain what is len. Okay. Print. You have an inbuilt called length. Okay, length of card. Okay, we will show you the length of the card. You have an inbuilt here. I'm getting 8. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, is nothing but length of my string. Okay, you can use this len here. Okay, hash into len of card 8. I want to hash first 4 digits only. Okay, so I need only first 4 digits. 4. I'll print this. Print mask credit. Let's see what will be the output. After that, we can modify this. I got only 4 hashes because 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 into hash is 4 hashes. Okay. And also I want to add last 4 digits. How to add last 4 digits means uh, don't get confused. I am going to say some indexes here. Slicing. You will get that slicing topic in your data structure in list. Okay. In list, tuple, and also in dictionary. Uh, just to understand to show the example, I am explaining this. Okay. To sorry, add of -4. Here you will get, in this you will get last 4 digits. Okay, this is nothing but slicing of my string. Okay, you can do in the list also. Okay, I got first four digits as hash, and I can able to see the last 4 digits. Okay, in this way, in payment apps also you can able to see, you will see these kind of stars like this star. Yeah, you can see the only last 4 digits of your card. This is nothing but they are using this method only. Okay, and we have counted the characters of a string by using count, right? Now we are going to count words. Okay, you I'll take some words like this. Some about. I'll take about equal to. I want to say about Hyderabad. Place. I Hyderabad is good. Is some nice. I'm taking some random example. Okay, just ignore sentence formation. Okay, just I want to explain you the concept. I'm taking Hyderabad, repeated Hyderabad words. Okay. Now count equal to about dot. I'm lowering all the words. Okay, lower. I have lower only, but uh, I'll show you without lowering my words. Hyderabad dot count about dot count of. I'm counting error and one capital Hyderabad here. I will print count here. If you see, you will get only 2 because I am giving to count Hyderabad in this format, small letters. Okay, but I have only 2. I have 3 Hyderabad's. In that, I have 2 Hyderabad starting with small letters and remaining with capital letter. So it was not counting. If you want to count all the Hyderabad words, irrespective of their format, I mean that means whether it starts with small letter or capital letter, irrespective of that, you have to count the words. Then you have to use this lower. Okay, you'll get output as 3 now. Okay, this is how you can count words. Okay. I'll go with another example. We have 5 more minutes. So it's like this example. I have a list of students. But there is nothing but list. Don't confuse. Okay. And you will have, okay, you will get confused about this list and dictionary. I will explain you this example afterwards. Okay. Do you have any doubts in today's class? Please let me know. If you have any doubts, please let me know.
For like the email example that you showed, like I don't understand why when you put the modified version, why did you put like email.strip.lower?
Yeah. Okay. Because the email may be in different formats. For example, I will explain once again. Email equal to input enter your email. Okay, enter your email. Equal to email dot. Okay. You directly without giving that lower, I'll show you the example. I will show you the output. If email dot ends with, I want to see the email belongs to my institute. Okay, I want to I want to get only emails that belongs to my institute. So if it belongs to my institute, surely it will ends with @ my institute name. Okay, my fit.com. Okay, fit.com. If you are putting if condition, you have to use colon here. Print. I have given this, right? Valid. I will also print the email here. Email. Else I'll print invalid directly. I don't want to show the email. Okay. I'll print. I'll execute this now. Observe clearly. Yeah. Here I'm giving an email, but I'm giving in capital letters. Okay. Just I'm giving the correct email, but I'm giving in capital letters. Okay. Great. fit.com. Sorry. .com. I have given the right email, but it was maybe this email is stored in my DB. Okay, in my database, this email got stored. Okay, if I want to now I'll run the output. It is getting invalid, but the same email exists in my DB. But due to the informal way, it is not validating my email. Okay, but it is there in my DB. Okay, radha@fit.com is there in my database, but it was showing invalid. So you have to lower this email. Okay, email equal to email dot strip. Strip is used to remove the unnecessary spaces. Okay, lower. Okay, I'll give the same email once again. See, I'll give the same email once again. I'm getting my email format here. Here, the thing is, whatever the format it may be, okay, whatever the format it may be, but that email is present in my DB. Okay, with this extension @fit.com. Okay, if I don't lower this input email, whatever the email I am getting, I am lowering it. I am converting into small letters, each and every character into small letters, and I am comparing with my DB, and I want to validate that email. Okay, that's why I am lowering this email. Okay, not only in this condition, you will have some different kinds of examples. Okay, not only this one, not only comparing email, we'll have some more let's see some more examples. Okay, on the other day. You got clarity in this?
Yeah, but like for strip, you're removing unnecessary spaces, is it?
Yeah, yeah.
So unnecessary spaces as in like spaces between the
Characters,
like each character.
spaces between before and after this email. Okay, before and after this email. For example,
Okay.
running formats. I'll take some fit.com. Just I am ignoring all these spaces before my email. Okay, simply I am displaying only the email, excluding all the spaces. Okay, strip is used to remove unnecessary spaces before and after a word. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Do you have any doubts, three of you? If you have, you can ask me any of the method. Meanwhile, try to uh, execute some more inbuilt methods like we almost ignore this encode, mul and all. Whatever the underscores you have, ignore those also. These are called magic methods. We can see those methods later. Okay, mul, all these we can see in oops concepts. Okay, already we have done with split format. It's just alpha starts with index find capitalization. Yeah, you have case fold, expand tabs, format map. You can also ignore ease ASCII. Okay, you can go with ease decimal. Try to see these methods also. Okay, try to explore these methods on your own. Okay, if you are confused at any of the method, please let me know. Okay, afterwards. Okay, just practice it. Okay, but whatever the methods which we have discussed up to now are the important methods we are going to use frequently. That means in real time also. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you have any doubts? More doubts?
No.
Okay.
No.
When we are going to continue the remaining questions, do you want me to continue those, or else you will try on your own?
We can try on our own first.
Okay. Okay, then that's all about today's class. If you have any notes, please ask me while you are practicing. Please ping me. Okay, if you're stuck anywhere, please ping me. I will help you. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank
Okay,
you.
then. Bye bye.
Bye.